Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, you guys, I am so excited because I'm going to be sharing with you the 2020 Look Fantastic Advent Calendar. Now, a little fun fact about me is that I have never done an advent calendar of any kind before in my life. So to say I'm excited is a literal understatement, especially since this is like a beauty advent calendar, and you guys know beauty is my life over here. So I am so supremely excited to get to share this with you guys today. And I do want to mention right here up front that I was sent this advent calendar for reviewing purposes, but you already know your girl keeps it 100 with you. I am not getting any sort of like sponsorship. There's no affiliate link. There's no nothing. They were just kind enough to send this to me so I can review it and share it with you guys. And I'm going to give you my honest thoughts and opinions. I'm going to let you know if this bad boy is worth your money, because you know your girl does not want you to waste your hard-earned money on anything. So we're going to go into this and really get into the nitty-gritty of this advent calendar. So before I jump into all the details, I do just want to give you a quick peek on what the advent calendar itself looks like, because ooh, you guys, I mean, she is gorgeous. So this is what the box looks like. She is hefty. Hefty, thick like mama, if you know what I'm saying. It is an absolutely stunning box. I love all the black and the white and the gold. Perfectly festive, but good enough for you to want to pre-order in September, if you know what I'm saying. I love the metallic type finish on everything. It's super pretty. It does say Look Fantastic this Christmas all over the box. On this side it says Look Fantastic in gold and black, and on the top and every other size it says it in white. And this is a really nice sturdy packaging. It does have a magnetic front closure, and you get this little pink tab right here, and that is how you open it. And I will put a clip in of a better shot of this box here in a minute, because mama ain't got enough room. But it is really, really nice. And I will say that when they shipped it to me, it came in a really, really thick cardboard box. Not nothing flimsy. Like, this thing was heavier than this alone, and it was nice and padded, and they had the box itself wrapped in bubble wrap. So I was really pleased with that. And obviously as I go through, I will let you know if all the products are intact and everything like that, to make sure, again, you're not wasting your money to get broken product. Okay guys, so before I get into showing you all the products that come in this advent calendar, I do just want to go over some of the details about it. So first things first, obviously the box contains 25 items, and they range from body care, hair care, skincare, and cosmetics. So if you are a like makeup and beauty junkie like myself, this could be a really good box for you to get if that's what you're into. The box does retail for $110, but it also has a total retail value of $640. And you best bet your bottom that before this video is over, your girl is going to tally everything up and let you know if that is a true statement. Because if I'm going to recommend something to you guys for $110, I want it to have a really solid retail value. So I will be doing that detective work, girl, and I will let you know. So this box did start pre-orders on September 1st, and the pre-orders run until October 12th. And then on October 12th, the box officially launches. So before I even get into showing you anything, what I will go ahead and say is that as we're going through this video and you are really into the box, girl, whether my opinion matters to you or not, and you think you really do want it, I would highly suggest pre-ordering the box and securing yourself one, because I do know for a fact that this box sells out, and it sells out quickly. Okay guys, so now that we've gotten all the nitty-gritty details out of the way, let's get into opening this advent calendar, because it has taken me so much self-restraint these past 2 days to not go through it without you guys. So like I said, I'm going to hold it up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you one sleeve in and of itself. I'm going to open it with you guys and show you exactly what's in there and what it looks like. And then after that, I'm going to open up everything on my own and then lay it out on my desk. And I will show you guys everything that comes in the advent calendar, but I don't want to go through each individual slot with you guys. And the only reason I don't want to do that is because I want you to be able to have some sort of element of surprise. So while you will know what comes in here, each day will be a surprise as to what you're getting in that particular day. Because I know for me personally, if I'm spending $90 to $110 on something, especially an advent calendar that's supposed to be kind of like a surprise thing, I'd want to still be surprised and not know exactly what I'm getting for 25 days. So that is how I'm going to do it. I hope you guys don't mind that, but that's just how I would want to see one of these videos, because I didn't want to watch one before I opened it because I want to be surprised. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, once you open this bad boy up, they are all numbered and they are not in order. I will say that. Like, for example, this is 19, 12, 21, 6, 23, 14. So they're all kind of jumbled up. Number 1 is easy to spot because it is in the gold one, so that is nice. And 25 is the biggest number, as you can see here. So like I mentioned, we're going to open up number 1 together. So when you slide the box out, the products are all wrapped in pink tissue paper, which I think is a really fun touch because you don't open the box and immediately see it. Like, you have to actually open something else to get the product out. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this and put it down so I don't drop it, because that would be very embarrassing for me. And then, like I said, we're gonna have everything in the tissue paper and we're gonna open it up. And this is the first product in the advent calendar. This is the Natasha Denona Blush Glow Duo. So it is a blush and highlighter set. It looks like the blush shade is Golden Coral, and then the highlighter shade is 01 Light. I'm pretty excited about this. And these are what these shades look like. You guys, I'm super excited. One, because nothing came cracked or broken, which I really appreciate. And the fact that Natasha Denona is a pretty pricey brand, so it is a great way to start off. Okay, so starting off with all these skincare items that came in this advent calendar. So first we have this Mio Clay Away Body Cleanser. This is a 2-in-1 wash and mask. I am super excited to try this out. Next, there was this Omnivorsica, and I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right, and this is called the Silver Skin Savior, and I am honestly not 100% sure what this is off the top of my head, so I will write it up on the screen for you. I can't tell if it's a wash, a moisturizer, an eye cream, so I will look it up. Next, we got this Evie Loom Makeup Remover Cleansing Balm, and cleansing balms are my favorite way to remove my makeup, so I'm so pumped to try this out. Next, there was this sample size of this Filgora Time Filler, and they refer to this as an absolute wrinkle correction cream. I have no idea what that means, but it kind of sounds glorious. There was also a deluxe sample of this Caudalie Purifying Gel Cleanser, which I'm very excited to try. These are the Tan Luxe Super Glow Hyaluronic Self Tan Serum. This is the E-Cooking Vitamin C Serum, and this is also a sample-sized product. I do like the pump on it, however, I am excited about that packaging aspect. There was also this Ren Clean Skincare Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic, which I am really interested to look into and see if this would be good for my skin. I love things like tonics and toners because they're such an easy skincare step, so I'm excited about this. There was also this Roticol Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water. So this is a micellar cleansing water, and the packaging alone, like the coloring on this liquid, is just super fun. So I am excited to try this out. I do also like how it comes with one of those pumps for your cotton rounds. So I think that is very, very nice. They also included this Avant Harmonious Rose Quartz Revitalizing and Firming Mask, and I think I may have this product from earlier in the year from a BoxyCharm. If this is the same thing, then this is a full-size product, and it does retail somewhere over like $100, so that is very nice. They also included this Elemis Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream, and I really do like the Elemis brand for skincare, so I am excited to test this out. This is a full-size product. And last but not least, for skincare, they included this Espa 24-Hour Balance Moisturizer. Again, another full-size product, and I am very excited to try this out because as someone with oily skin, I love anything that's oil balancing, yet hydrating, so this seems right up my alley. So this was the only hair care item in the advent calendar, and this is a deep conditioning hair treatment by Philip Kingsley. The scent is supposed to be Mayan, Vanilla, and Orange Blossom, and I love like deep conditioning hair masks. I think they are great. This is a deluxe sample size product. Moving into body care, the first thing we got is this Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. It says it's a multitasking beauty sleep savior for your better nights and brighter mornings. And I will say this has a very fragrant smell. So as soon as I took it out of the sleeve, it immediately hit me. This is not something that I foresee myself using, but I do think that I can give this away to somebody else. Next, there was this Ritual of Sakura Celebrate Each Day Body Scrub in Organic Rice and Cherry Blossom. Your girl loves body scrubs. They are probably like one of my favorite skincare things to do, so I am very excited to test this out. So next we did get this Molten Brown Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. I did go ahead and smell this, and I actually like the way it smells, which is funny because I am not someone that enjoys rose scented things. So if you are also adverse to that, I don't think you're going to hate this. It's very light, and I anticipate me using this as bubble bath. Last but not least for body care, there was also this navy blue eye mask. Now I kept this in the plastic because I don't foresee myself keeping this. I am not someone that wears eye masks, so this wasn't the most exciting thing in the advent calendar for me, but it is something that is there. Okay, so last but not least, moving on to makeup. So aside from the Natasha Denona palette that you already saw, we also got this Luxe 522 tapered highlighter brush. I love Luxe brushes, so I was so excited to see this in here. However, my only complaint would be is because the brush is long and I don't think it quite fit in the compartment they put it in. The bristles, as you can see at the top, are kind of like bent and funny. I think I can clean them up by just washing it one time and moving them around, but I would have preferred to see the brush in slightly better condition, but that's just me truly being nitpicky. Okay, so next we did get this deluxe sample size of this Illamasqua Loaded Lip Polish. So it is a lip gloss, and this is in the shade Vogue, if I can tell correctly. And I will say I am pretty happy that this is a deluxe sample size due to the fact that, like, you can hardly ever finish a lip product as it is, so I don't mind that. We also received an Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. Again, you can see this is a deluxe sample size, but I have never tried this mascara, so I am excited for that. There was also this Diego de la Palma kohl eyeliner in 01, so a black kohl liner, as well as a Lord & Berry Perfect Brow Pencil in brunette, and this also does come with a spoolie, which is very exciting. This Sleek Makeup Hydrating Primer was also included, and I'm pretty sure this is a full-size product. I am not going to be keeping this, however, just because I have oily skin and hydrating primers don't do it for me, but I am not upset about this because this definitely isn't the most expensive product in the bunch, and I definitely have a few people I can pass this along to. Okay, so last but not least, this is a product that I'm also very, very excited for when it comes to the makeup. I'm not sure how to pronounce the brand, but it's spelled the number 3 INA, but this is the Cream Shadow in the shade 532. This is what the product looks like. I did swatch it, so don't be alarmed about that. Those are my fingerprints, but it is a gorgeous, like, bronzy taupe color, and I think it's going to be stunning for fall, and this product does actually dry down quite quickly, which I greatly appreciate in a cream shadow, so I am super excited about this. Okay, you guys, so now that I've had the opportunity to look at everything in the advent calendar and share it with you guys, I do just want to go ahead and mention here, like you probably saw, a majority of the products were either sample sized or deluxe sample size products. There were only 8 full-size products in the advent calendar, so do keep that in mind when you're thinking about ordering. And so I did look up every product, like I said I would in the beginning, to try and find the total retail value of the advent calendar. However, because the majority of these things were like sample or deluxe sample sizes, it was very difficult to pinpoint a price because you don't typically buy deluxe sample size products. So I will say that if everything would have been full size, the retail value of this advent calendar would have been $981, which is insane. I did not realize just how many high-end, more like expensive type brands were actually in this advent calendar, which is pretty exciting because these are things that I probably wouldn't purchase on my own, and you're getting them at a reduced cost, so that is pretty fun. So with all that being said, would I recommend the 2020 Look Fantastic advent calendar to you? And I would say yes, but under some conditions. So first things first, you definitely want to make sure that you are okay with receiving primarily deluxe sample size products. If you are someone that wants really just kind of full-size items, I would skip this because you're not going to be satisfied. And 2, if you are someone that cares more for like skincare and body care items, I would say go for it. But if you were someone that's looking for more hair care or makeup products, I would pass on this one because we definitely received more skincare and body care items in the advent calendar. So if you're not into the creams and the serums and the toners, then I would just kind of pass on this because you're not going to be satisfied with the money that you spend. So as an overall whole, I am really impressed by the advent calendar. I don't think I would be super upset if I spent anywhere from $90 to $110 on it. I think it's fun. It's definitely full of beauty. And so if you're like a beauty junkie overall, I think you're definitely going to be very happy with it. But yeah, you guys, that is all for today's video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on the advent calendar down below. Is this a really good one? Have they been better in years past? And are you considering picking it up? I would like to know. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and if you hit that notification bell, you will never miss an upload from me. And last but not least, you can also come follow your girl on Instagram at Alyssa and Pope, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!